Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Microsoft Outlook where the app won't open. It's a nice and easy one to fix, so let's jump straight into it, and the first thing we need to do is come over to our start menu and search for Outlook, and then we can right click on Outlook here and make sure to run as administrator. Now if that doesn't work, we can try opening up Outlook in safe mode, and we can do this by heading over to the start menu and searching for run, and then just tap on the run icon, and inside of here you just need to type in outlook.exe /safe and then hit enter. And now if you're able to open Outlook in safe mode, there could be certain add-ins causing the issue. So in that case you'll need to launch up Outlook and come over to file, come over to options from the left here, and then select add-ins from the left hand side, and then we want to select this go button at the bottom here next to com add-ins. And we're going to disable all of our add-ins just by unchecking everything, and then we can press OK to save all of those changes, and then you can try restarting Outlook in just normal mode. So if that's still not working for you, the next thing we can do is head over to our start menu and search for programs, then tap on add or remove programs, and we need to scroll all the way down this list to find the Outlook application. And once you've found Outlook, we just need to select these three little dots here and come into advanced options and scroll all the way down to this reset section, and then we need to hit repair. Then once you've done that, you can head out of this window and check to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, the last thing we can do is head over to our start menu and search for run, and then tap on the run icon, and inside of here you need to type in %, local app data %, and hit enter, and then scroll all the way down till you find the Microsoft folder and come inside of here, and then scroll all the way down once more to find Outlook, and we need to right click on this Outlook folder and then just select the trash icon to delete it. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that should have resolved any opening issues you're experiencing inside of Microsoft Outlook. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.